Got Jimmy here.
If you are in 1st grade through 5th grade, you may use the marble run. We have 10 marbles here. You can choose a marble and set up the tubes so you can work with someone to build a marble run. When you're using the marble run, you may be studying what's called engineering or being an engineer. How can you make something stand? How can you make something stay together? How can you make the marble go through exactly the way you want? That's called engineering. We may have 20 students sharing all of these materials that we have here for Marble Run. The tubes, the trays, the clear tubes, and you set them up with blocks that you find here, and you make them reversible. So in other words, you're going to put everything back exactly the way you see it here so that others can use it. You won't be using tape or anything like that to hold it together. It's very tricky. It's just using what you have, and that is the design problem that you're going to face, is using the existing materials. We are going to use the engineering design process to build our marble run. The first thing you have is a plan. What would you like to do? Then you pick your materials. What materials will you need to create the idea? Then you've picked your goal. What would you like for your project to be able to do? Next, create it. Test it. Once you test it, does it work the way you want? How can you make improvements? So what is your problem? What have others done to solve the same problem? What are some of the best solutions? And then choose that best idea. Go back to testing your idea and then improving it over and over again until it's just how you like it. We have some new tubes for Marble Run. How will you put them to use? How can they work? If you lose a marble, you may not get to use Marble Run the next time. So if you start with 10 marbles in your class, you have to have 10 marbles in this container that says 10 marbles at the very end of class. All right, that's our goal.